Hey guys, welcome to the ASP.NET MVC and Entity Framework Learning by Example project. And project is GNVS Shop. And today in this video, I would like to show you how to export the content in your database to CSV and Excel file. Okay, so let's get started. This one is the website I'm using to this demo. And now I go ahead to export the content in news management modules here in the CSV and also Excel file. Basically, when you are working in project, so you have to export the content into some file. So after that, you deliver to your management or something like that. So the best way to export the data to CSV or Excel file is very quickly for you to do that. Okay. So now I go ahead to open the Visual Studio, and this one is the controller, new management, and I have a view. Bigger. Okay. Now open the sequence server. This one is the table news in the database. We have some column here, and now I go ahead to export some field in this table into the CSV file, and after that I will export all of the data from this all of the field from this table into the Excel file. Okay, let's do it. Open the so here I will using some library here. Okay, so let's follow my demo here. Okay, and open the index. So I go ahead to create two links here. The first link is export to CSV, and the second link is export to Excel. So it should be below and under the create new hyperlink. Take and this one is action. Okay, so now I go ahead to come back into the controller and try some code for the action. I have to create two actions. The first one is export content to CSV, and the second one is export content to Excel. Okay. I'm using the public void because I don't want to return anything. So let's go using the void. Copy the name. Okay, and now I will write the code for the export to CSV file first. And when we have complete with the CSV file, so we will write the code for Excel. Okay. Here we will write the code for some field here in new ID, title, short description, created date, and status. New ID. Okay, copy this here. New ID, title, short description. Okay, cool. I'll just copy. Okay. So the first line, I go ahead to write the header for the content to be exported into the CSV file. I mean the header of the column in the file. Is disposition. Here. So we save the file into the new listing underscore and the datetime.csv file. The content type it should be exported into text and CSV file. Okay. Back to the top. Here we have an instance of the database contact here. It should be DB. So now I go to DB to get the data. So now we go ahead to loop all the data in the list new variable. So after that we will write the line by line data into the CSV file. Okay, I will copy the top one here. New ID is 0 is new ID, 1 is title, 2 is short description, 3 is create new, and 4 is status. Okay. Okay, fine. Cool. So now we have just finished writing the code for exporting data action into the CSV file. And now just go ahead to do the testing. Save this one and you have to build the solution. Okay, back to the website and refresh this one. Okay, redundant command. Okay, now go ahead to click on the export to CSV file hyperlink here for testing. And if we have no issue, so the CSV file should be downloaded into your PC. Okay, so let's see. Here we have the issue must be greater than 0. Okay, come back to the code. Okay, so try to path to lead. Okay, try to debug. Click on export here. Let's see what happened. Cow is 0. No, cow is 22. Is Oh my gosh, we have 5, but here we have only 4. Sorry. New ID, title, short description, created date. Okay, should be work for now. Okay, click on export to CSV file again. Yeah. Okay, so you can see here for now the feature is working fine. It downloads the file from server into the Windows PC. Click on this to open the file. Okay, here we have the new ID, title, short description, created date, and status. Import it again. Yes. Okay, so it's working fine for the CSV file, and now I go ahead to write the action for importing data to Excel file. So we have something should be the same for Excel file. Okay, so let's do it. Instead of using string writer here, so I will using the grid view to store the data, and after that I will use the data from grid view and export directly to the Excel file. Grid view. So the content type it should be the application Excel. It is a text and CSV. Okay. Save it and build the solution again. Okay, fine. And come back to the website and refresh this page. Here. Now we go ahead to click on the export to Excel file here, hyperlink. So if we have no issue, as the same thing when we do with CSV file. So it should be download or Excel file from server into the Windows PC, and after that you can click on that file to open and view the content in the Excel format. Okay, cool. We have no issue. You can see the extension of the file here. It is XLS. Open it. Here you can see here all of the data from the news table already exported into this Excel file. We have all of the column from the table had been exported. Cool. So now try to export it again. Okay. Excel again. CSV again. Cool. Okay, so I think that's all for today. And after you finish this video, you know how to work with the website project by exporting the data from the database into CSV and also Excel file. I think we have a lot of way to export the content into the CSV and Excel file, but there is a simple way I can show you in this video. So now you can follow this video to export the data to the file you want to be deliver it to the management or something like that. And you can also refer to the internet. We have a lot of solutions there. So if you think this solution is helpful for you, so you should use it, and otherwise you can use another thing. I think no problem. Okay, so I think that's all for today, and feel free to let me know if you see any issue during the demonstration. Bye bye and see you later. Happy coding.